Migraine is not just a headache. It is a genetic disease which affects the nervous system, including the eyes, ears, and presents itself differently in each affected person. Some can experience these migraine attacks rarely, whereas others can get it every single day, making it difficult for them to lead a normal life. Namaste, I'm Dr. Tejaswini, and welcome to Best of Homeopathy. In today's video, let us understand what is migraine, what triggers the attack of migraine, what are the symptoms of migraine, and most importantly, let us know about some of the best homeopathic medicines for the treatment of migraine. Migraine affects an individual in episodes, and each of these episodes have 4 phases. The first stage is called as the prodromal phase, and this begins a day or two before the actual headache. In this phase, a person can experience a variety of symptoms which tells him that an attack of headache is about to begin. These symptoms can include excessive yawning, feeling exhausted or tired, sensitivity to light, sensitivity to sound, certain food cravings, increased thirst, excessive sweating, and also a lot of mood changes. Following this, the next phase is called as an aura, and this can last up a maximum of 1 hour. This phase includes something called as a visual aura, where the person experiences a disturbed vision, which could be in the form of dots, colors, shape, or even the person can experience partial blindness. Other forms of aura includes a ringing sound in the ear, feeling as if pins and needles were pricking on the skin, and also difficulty in speaking. These all symptoms indicate that immediately a headache is about to begin. So the period of aura is followed by the actual headache, and this headache is mostly one-sided. However, it can also affect both the sides of the head, or it can also begin in the back of the head and then come forward and settle over the eyes. And the pain of migraine is considered to be a severe throbbing or pulsating kind of headache. Now, this attack of headache can last for 4 hours or even can extend up till 72 hours, and it will come down only after taking certain painkillers or even by resting or sleeping. But as mentioned earlier, migraine is not just a simple headache. So there are a variety of other symptoms which accompanies headache, including nausea, vomiting, runny nose, increased flow of tears from the eyes, sensitivity to sound and light. And the last phase which comes on after the headache has come down is called as the post-drome phase. During this phase, the person can be completely exhausted, confused, become very easily irritable. They can even experience dizziness or suffer because of inability to concentrate. Now, let us understand some of the factors which can trigger migraine in a person. Most common triggers include caffeine, stress, alcohol, especially red wine, lack of sleep, bright light, strong smells, weather changes, skipping meals, certain foods, certain medications, and also during menstrual cycle. Avoiding the triggering factors which are mentioned can prevent you from getting a headache, but it is not a permanent solution. Homeopathy can offer excellent service in the cases of migraine and find a permanent cure to it. However, there are several remedies which can come to your help, so do consult your physician and avoid self-medication. The first remedy which can be used is belladonna. This is a remedy for severe headache when the person has to roll his head from side to side on a pillow because of the severe pain. The person may not be able to bear any form of light or sound or even touch, and they feel better by pressing on their head and resting in a half-lying position. This remedy can be extremely useful if these attacks of migraine come on during a cold weather. Another remedy which can bring about excellent results in migraine is sanguinaria. This remedy is very useful for repeated episodes of migraine which can come about every week or 15 days. It helps in reducing the pain which begins in the back of the head and travels all the way around and settles over the right eye. If the attack of migraine has begun because of skipping meals or not having food at the right time, then sanguinaria will be the remedy which will relieve you from migraine. Another remedy is gloninum. So this proves very effective in migraines which come on after being exposed to sunlight or any other artificial light. If the pain of migraine is more of a heaviness in head and the person is not able to lie down and they are also feeling dizzy and confused, then glonine can be very helpful. Another excellent remedy to keep in mind is cyclamen europaeum. This is a very useful remedy in cases of visual aura. That is, when there is flickering in front of eyes or colored vision or dot in front of the eyes, especially before the headache, then cyclamen is the remedy of choice. The last remedy in today's discussion is caliphos. This remedy has proved again and again that when taken in 6x potency, it can greatly relieve the pain and suffering of migraine. If you found this video helpful, do share it among your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel for more such informative content. Stay healthy. Thank you.